Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make an underneath video just because, you know, I was asking. I've been making a few other videos today, so figured I'd get out and hit a couple more underneath here. Sorry, I figured I shut it off for you guys. Underneath here, I had to move my charcoal canister. I cut a hole. We ran it down through over here. Same on this side. And sorry if this video kind of sucks, but we did the dual straight down into the high flow cats right here. Now this is just, you know, the SRT8 2008 headers right here, long tubes, and they go straight up, no problems at all, no clearance issues, no rattles, no nothing. Sorry the video is kind of crap. I don't know if you can get a better view of anything, or